What's up guys, this is a quick video on the RØDE VideoMicro. So right guys, I've bought this from Amazon and I paid £39 for it, and I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to buy one. So the actual microphone is made in Australia and it comes with a 2-year warranty. So the microphone itself, this is what it looks like in the box. You'll have to excuse the box itself. I've ripped it open and I've damaged it, but hey, oh, what can you do? So right, this is the microphone itself in the box and this is how it comes. There's not much on it really, it just says it comes with 2 years warranty, no batteries required, compact size, and it's got a flexible mount. So right, that's everything on it. So right, I'll open it up so we can have a look what it looks like. So first of all, we've got some instructions. Next thing we've got is a flexible cable. So you'd use this cable to connect to the microphone and to the camera. That lead will only work with the cameras, it won't work with phones. If you want to use this with a telephone or an iPhone or Android device, you'll have to go out and purchase one of these wires. It's made by RØDE and it's a SC7. This is what it looks like. One of the wires is actually grey, if you can see that. So if you can see that, it's got 2 prongs on it. So that connects into your camera. No, sorry, this connects into the microphone. And on this side, it's got 3 prongs, which will connect into your phone. So that's the difference. If you look at these, they'll just only have 2 prongs on them. If you can see that. Right, let's see what else we get in the box. So that's it really. We get the microphone itself in the box. So it comes with a dead cat. So I'll take that off. Feels good quality actually, that does. So this is the dead cat, and you'd use this outside. If it's really windy and stuff, you'll use this. But if you're recording inside, you won't have to use this. It's pretty big and bulky. But if you don't want wind noise to come through, you do have to use this. So right, that's the dead cat. So this is the microphone itself. And it says it comes on a flexible mount. And as you can see, it is flexible. It's flexible due to if you have any movement, it stops any noise coming through onto the microphone and it doesn't record onto your camera. So I'll just take that out. So the mount itself is made out of plastic, and what it does is it simply slides onto a cold shoe mount, and then you'll screw this to tighten it up to fix it into place. So that's the mount itself, and this is the microphone. I'll let you have a quick look at it. So it feels like it's made out of metal, and it does feel very strong and sturdy. So on the back of it we've got a headphone port as well, and that's for listening to playback on your of your footage. So that's there for one reason. So when you've got your camera or your phone plugged in, just to save you pulling the microphone in and out so you can listen to what you recorded, all you do is connect a headphones in there and you can listen to the playback. I'm just trying to think what else can I tell you about. I think that's about it guys. There's not much to them really. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody else out who's thinking about buying one. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.